Wednesday. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review and also showing you guys kind of like my quick go-to style and the type of wig that I love to just throw on and go, you guys. So right now my hair is in cornrows and I just have my little bonnet on, and the hair we're going to be talking about today, you guys, is so beautiful. And the hair we're going to be using today, you guys, is from Asteria Hair. If you guys seen my top favorite hair companies, Asteria Hair was definitely on my list because every time, you guys, their hair never fails me. This hair is so beautiful, you guys, and it's very, very soft. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys, it's so soft. I was even surprised the hair was this soft. Like, super. Look at it. Look at this hair. They have some of the best hair I've ever used from Aliexpress. Look at this hair. So I did make this hair into a wig, and it has a closure, and it has 3 bundles in there. And I did hand make this wig. If you guys are interested in getting a wig made, just check the description bar below. All the details will be down there. So these are my braids ever since my big cut. I try to do them a lot larger than I usually do, and a lot looser. So they are very loose, like my head doesn't feel tight or anything like that. So I'm just gonna throw my wig on, and like I said, this is a quick out the door style. So I don't, I don't like too much going on. One thing I did want to show you guys is their closure. Their closure bleached perfectly. Look at this closure, you guys. That is so perfect. Let me go ahead and throw my wig on. It fits snug, perfect, and I like to line it up right there. The parting, but I'm gonna go back in and fix that right with your own natural, like right there, because I don't like mine like all the way down on my head. I still like my own natural baby hairs to show. Now if you've bleached your knots correctly, your wig should just lay like this. Like, I haven't even done anything to it. It should just lay and look completely natural. Didn't put my wig grip on in this video because when my hair is freshly braided, I have to allow my hair to loosen up a little bit or to feel like too tight, because the wig grip actually makes your hair feel really, really snug. Okay, you guys, so the next step, I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry out that part so it can lay nice and flat. Okay, so our unit is nice and flat, but I do have some flyaways here. So what I usually do is I rip my flyaways on out. Nice and flat. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna flat iron it really quick. The flat iron I'm using is my Red by Kiss silicone styler. It's my favorite flat iron to use like on extensions and stuff because it just works so well. If you guys could only feel how much body this hair has. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my mousse and put it on the top of my closure because the flyaways are a little excessive. The only thing I'm not liking is that my closure has flyaways, but that's easily fixed. So this hair is, you guys, it's a butter. I've never had hair this soft from Aliexpress. I'm so confused right now. You guys, I'm surprised. And usually hair doesn't like surprise me like this. Like, I'm surprised. I just want y'all to touch the hair. Like, I wish you could touch it. I wish you can feel the silkiness of it. Asteria Hair is definitely winning. This is my second texture from them, and it's so flawless. Like, it's, I don't know, I'm lost for words. Like, I'm literally lost for words. Like, the hair is it's everything is so low maintenance. Like, that's what I love about it. It's low maintenance, which is what we want. We want low maintenance. We want something that's easy to style. I know y'all want this wig, but she ain't going for sale, so don't be asking. I do have in 3 bundles of 28" and a 18 and a 20" closure. I still can't get how long it is in frame, and I'm super short, you guys. I'm only 5'3". Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. If you are interested in this amazing hair, make sure you check the description bar. All the links, all that good stuff will be below. I'm telling you guys, if you get this hair, you won't be disappointed. So I believe that's it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb this video up if you like it. Comment below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notifications. And I will see you on the next video.
You know that I'll always be there for you. Won't let you go. I'll always take care